Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will delve into TikTok analytics and share 8 tips and tricks to make your content go viral. So, let's get started. To gauge the performance of your TikToks, follow these steps. View count. Monitoring your viewership is crucial for assessing online impact. Simply check the prominent view count on your profile page to gauge your content's reach, providing quick insight into audience size and content appeal. In-depth analysis. While the view count gives you a broad overview, exploring the intricacies of your content's analytics can uncover a wealth of valuable insights. To access this comprehensive data, go to a specific video you are interested in. Click on the three dots menu and choose Analytics. Within this information-rich section, you will discover a trove of information such as the average viewing duration and the geographical locations of your viewers. These finer details provide you with a more nuanced understanding of how your videos are being received, empowering you to make well-informed decisions regarding your content strategy and allowing you to refine your future video creations to better connect with your audience. Notifications. Maintaining a strong connection with your audience is another pivotal aspect of managing your online presence. To stay updated on the latest interactions with your videos, keep a vigilant eye on the notifications icon conveniently located at the bottom of your screen. This icon serves as your gateway to discovering recent comments, likes, and other forms of engagement with your content. By promptly engaging with these notifications, you can nurture a sense of community around your videos, build stronger connections with your audience, and ultimately elevate your online presence and influence. Now, let us explore 8 tips and tricks to boost your chances of going viral on TikTok. Tell a story. Craft videos like a story, starting with a problem, detailing your journey, and offering a solution. Engaging storytelling can create emotional connections with your audience. Provide value. Ensure your content offers value to viewers, whether it is entertainment, inspiration, or education. Giving something back is crucial to retaining and growing your audience. Use viral sounds. Incorporate trending sounds and songs into your videos. This increases your chances of being featured on the For You page where most followers come from. Hooks. Hook your audience not only at the beginning but throughout your video. Use captions, questions, and quick cuts to maintain engagement. Use trending hashtags. Enhance the discoverability of your content by incorporating popular and relevant hashtags into your video descriptions and captions. Leveraging trending hashtags not only increases the visibility of your videos but also puts your content in front of a broader audience who are actively engaging with those trends. Collaborate and do it. To broaden your reach and content with fresh audiences, consider collaborating with fellow creators or participating in duets with their videos. Collaborative efforts like this can be a powerful way to tap into the existing fan bases of other creators, creating a win-win situation where both parties benefit from increased exposure and engagement. Whether it is through dance challenges, response videos, or joint creative projects, collaborating and duetting can open doors to new and exciting content opportunities. Consistency. Post regularly to stay on your audience radar. Consistency helps build a dedicated following. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, engage with your followers, and be an active member of the TikTok community. This interaction can foster loyalty. There you have it. You know how to access TikTok analytics to measure your performance, and you have 8 valuable tips to help your content go viral. Remember that TikTok is all about creativity, authenticity, and engaging with your audience. So, in our next video, I'll be showing you finding your TikTok niche and more tips for success in your business. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.